Hi there, this is Allison with Let's Go Travel Tips. Today is Friday, it's November 18th of 2022, and we've got some updates, a couple of questions for you, and we are going to talk about some new promotions that Princess has going, and then I'll bring you up to date on what some of the other Black Friday sales are that are going to be. Some of them are actually have already started and will be starting early next week, so that you can be on top of any travel that you would like. Gordon and I don't need any more things in our life, but we are thoroughly enjoying travel. And so if you are someone that has enough things in your life, you might think about giving the gift of travel. As one of my very dear friends that I have met here through travel, with all of you in our Let's Go family, she says they give the gift of travel. And I think that's just wonderful, because you know what, memories I think are everything, and they are indeed priceless. So just had that thought as I started thinking about this. So first of all, we've got an update from the Regal Princess. So the Regal Princess just left Civitavecchia there, the port by Rome in Italy, to head on the transatlantic back here to the United States. And one of our Let's Go family members let us know that about 1,800 passengers got off, about 1,500 passengers boarded to go on the transatlantic, and about 1,100 that were on that previous cruise stayed on. So apparently there's about 2,600 guests on board right now. They said that 1,500 of them are elite. So I thought that was kind of fun. Their captain, that had been the Captain Aldo Traverso, if you say that, is leaving the Regal Princess when they stop in Genoa, Italy. And the Love Boat captain, Captain Paolo Arrigo, is going to get on. So they've been having a lovely cruise. Just wanted to let you all know that everything is going really smoothly on the Regal Princess. Alrighty, we also have a Let's Go family member who is booked to go on a Panama Canal sailing on December 18th. Now, they were wondering if we have any suggestions for the ports of Costa Rica and Cartagena, Colombia. Now, I have never been to these ports, and so we need your help with this. So if any of you can if you would like to send me an email with any information, I will share it with all of us, or put it in the comments. That will really help all of us, I think, who haven't been to Costa Rica or Cartagena yet. And even if some of you have been and an excursion didn't work out so well, that is also very valuable information, because it helps us know what not to do as well as what to do. So I would appreciate that. Now, if anyone wants to chime in that has sailed right there close to Christmas time on a cruise, that would be wonderful as well. I do know that they decorate the ships beautifully, and they have lots of fun Christmas activities. People have shared that if you are on the cruise right at Christmas time, they read the night before, like on Christmas Eve, they read the night before Christmas, and they have lots of special activities, not only for children, but for all of the adults on board. So I think it's going to be a very special cruise. As I think about that, I'm also really excited to get to be on the Celebrity Reflection December 11th through the 18th, because she should be all decorated up for Christmas. So I'm excited to see that. But if any of you can chime in below with that help, that would be wonderful. Alrighty, now let's talk about some promotions that Princess has going right now. So they have just barely announced their first responder and medical professional offer. And what you have to do is verify online by November 30th of 2022 that you are a first responder or a medical professional. There are different links to be able to do that. And so if you need those links, let me know. But all you have to do is verify it by November 30th. And then on December 5th, you will get an email, and they will give you a 25% off coupon plus bonus savings of up to 40% on select cruises sailing in 2023. Princess says that they are doing this to thank the brave men and women in the U.S. who keep us healthy and safe. And so you just need to do that, like I said, by November 30th. Don't forget. And they do have a list of the cruises that are included in that promotion. So if you are wondering about a certain cruise, you can send me an email and I will let you know. It's too long to just read it all off. But there's a variety of cruises offered there, and I think it's great that they're going to be doing this. The next sale that they've got going is their Black Friday sale. The highlights on that is you get $1 deposits. I know a lot of people like that. They say that there are 60 cruises under $60 a day and hundreds of cruises under $100 a day. And that Black Friday sale is going to run from November 22nd, which is this coming up Tuesday, through November 30th. Please be aware that the Love Boat sale ends on November 21st. So as of midnight on Monday, that Love Boat sale is over, and then the Black Friday sale is going to start. So also be aware that with that Black Friday sale and along with it they're announcing their Cyber Monday sale, same thing, but there are lists of what voyages are covered in those by those sales, and it is by no means all voyages. It is very much top heavy in early 2023 with cruises, and the latest one that, here, let me look at it really fast here and tell you. So for the Black Friday sale, there's a lot that are early, like I said, in 2023, a few scattered throughout the year. Actually, there's some late in 2022. Also, if you want to pick up a cruise like to the Mexican Riviera or like in December of 2022, this is a really good time to do it. You're going to get a great deal on that. But they've got a few Panama Canal ones early in 2023. The latest ones that I see are the ones to Hawaii, Tahiti, and the South Pacific, like for example, October 2nd of 2023. So if you're interested in that and you don't already have a travel agent, I would love to help you. You can just send me an email. My email addresses are under this video, and I would be happy to help you. But just be aware, like Alaska is not on this list, and so there you go. But and like I said, the Cyber Monday is the same thing, and so they've just lumped all of those sales into one. So if you have any questions about that, put it down below or send me an email, and I'm happy to help you. Now, there are other cruise lines that have other Black Friday sales as well. So let me tell you what those are here really quick. Let's see. Sorry about that. Our room steward just knocked on the door. So Royal Caribbean also has their Black Friday sales going. On their website, it shows that they're offering up to $600 off, plus 30% off of all cruises and kids sail for free, it says. And so that has already started. They've got Black Friday early access, and it's going on now. Also, a Let's Go family member was so kind to send me the update that they received an email. Now they're booked on a Royal Caribbean cruise next year, and it says that you get up to 50% off of shore excursions, beverage, internet, and more. So be really careful when you read all of these sale things. It says like up to 50% off, up to $600, up to. Just really watch that, because I feel really sad when something looks awesome and then you call on it and it's not quite what you expected. And so keep an eye out on that. I've been a little bit disheartened by some of that lately. We've also got a Black Friday sale here with Celebrity. On Celebrity, they're 70% off of the second guest when you cruise with them, up to $800 per stateroom. And you know what? That just really depends on what voyage you're on and what category of cabin that you have got booked. To get $800 of stateroom credit on the sale with Celebrity, you pretty much you know what? You just have to pay attention. Like often you have to be in a suite for that. And so just keep an eye on the up to. And then, yeah, that's Celebrities. And then, let's see, MSC's is right here. So MSC is offering 40% off, up to 40% off a cruise, plus free drinks and Wi-Fi, plus up to $200 of onboard credit. And I have to tell you, in the email I received from them, they list, like, you know, their destinations in the Caribbean and the Bahamas. And also, like, they've got 3 and 4 night and 7 and 8 nights. Mediterranean cruises, 7 nights and up. Northern Europe cruises, Bahamas and Florida, Bermuda, Canada, and New England. But the one that I just think, oh my goodness, is the one that goes from Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Qatar. Like, oh my goodness. So I just wanted to bring you up to date on everything to do with that. If you've got any questions, put it down below, and I'm happy to help you out. Today we are in the Dominican Republic. We were supposed to be going to Puerto Plata, I think is how you say it, but they changed our itinerary, and today we are in Amber Cove. So we're going to go ahead and get off and look around, but let me tell you, I am amazed at how beautiful it is. I thought it would be beautiful, but it is really, really beautiful. So I will just show you the view off of our balcony here for the end of our video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. We really do need you with us. And if you appreciate these updates, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions about cruising or anything you would like me to particularly talk about, I would be happy to do it. We're having a great week here on the Norwegian Encore. After this cruise, I think I do really highly recommend Norwegian, at least on their new ships. I have not been on one of their older ships yet. We get to do that at the end of January, so I'll have that to compare and tell you about. But anyway, I'll be talking to you all again really soon. You all take really good care. God bless you. Love you. Bye-bye. Alrighty, here we are. We're just in this little cove here. I guess that's probably why they call it Amber Cove. On the other side of us here, on the other side of the dock, is the Carnival Horizon. Is that the only ship here with us, love?
Yes. There was something else coming in further down.
Well, when we get off the ship, we'll let you know who else is here with us.
You can't see it.
Look how beautiful this is. It's just so beautiful. Colors in the water. And the ocean. Just look at that.